Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Login It. In this video, I will guide you on how to log into TSB Bank credit card online account. So if you want to log into TSB Bank credit card online account, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, open any browser of your choice. Here you can see I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type tsb.co.uk. Press enter. Now you'll be led to the official website of TSB. Here at the top right corner, you can see several options like My TSB Rewards, Money Confidence, Help and Support, Register and Login. If you do not have an account and if you want to create the account, you can directly click on Register. But if you already have account, all you have to do is click on Login button right over here. Now you'll be led to this interface. Here you'll have to enter your user ID. Simply click on this box and enter your user ID. Scroll down. Here you can also check the box remember my user ID if you do not want to enter the user ID every time you log in. But keep in mind to only check this box if you're using the private computer. If you want to recover your user ID, you can also recover your user ID by simply clicking on this option. And if you have forgotten your password, you can reset your password by simply clicking on this option. Now all you have to do is click on continue button right over here. After clicking on the continue button, you'll be asked to enter your password and all you have to do is enter your password. Then you'll be logged into your account. After logging in, you should be directed to your online banking dashboard. Look for an option to access your credit card account. Click on the option of credit card. This will allow you to view your credit card balance, transaction statements and other account details. Over there, you're also able to apply for any credit card. If you want, you can simply compare the features or different credit cards and then click on the option of apply now. You will have to fill up a form, then click on the submit button. If your application is approved, you will be receiving your credit card in the mail. And that's it for this video. That is how you log into TSB Bank credit card online account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.